There's nothing quite like the moment you're ready to publish and show your funnel to the world, only to have your custom domain throw a digital tantrum. Error messages, connection failures, DNS settings that look like secret hacker code. I get it. It can feel overwhelming fast. But connecting your domain is absolutely doable, and I'll walk you through every click so that by the end of this video, your site will be live and looking legit. You'll want to have 3 things ready. Be logged into Pagewheel, be logged into your DNS provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and have a domain you already own. And it's best if that domain is one that you aren't using elsewhere. Start by logging into Pagewheel. From your main menu, go to your profile settings and then custom domain. Tell us the domain you want to use, like your domain.com, into the field at the top of the page, then scroll down and grab the A record value. That's this code here at the end. Click on it and you will automatically copy the record data in a separate browser tab. Log into your DNS provider. Look for your DNS settings. That's where you'll add a new A record. The name or host field will match what Pagewheel gave you. For example, offers. Then paste the number into the data field and save that record. Now jump back to Pagewheel and click verification. You should see a green connected or active status. While it can be pending for up to 24 hours, it usually only takes 2 to 3 minutes to see a green light. If you're pending for more than 5 minutes, reach out to us over live chat and give us a screenshot of your records inside of your DNS provider, and we will see if there are any glitches. Most common issues are if you have the domain already being used with another site, if you have another A record being used. Make sure the A record points only to Pagewheel and you don't have other A or C name records. You aren't 100% done yet, your sites are all live with your custom domain, but we still need to set your primary page. What is the home page that you want for your brand? Go to the drop-down and select that product or funnel to be your primary page. Now, you're done. Way to go. Reach out if you have more questions.